But you see what's already on YouTube, you can't really depend on that. I know, but when you go to bed that night, you start imagining the fight.
Yeah, you have a huge match coming up this weekend at MFN 7. So, how are you feeling currently at Hyderabad?
Yeah, so Hyderabad is really nice. We've been welcomed here. We've been given very warm welcome here. So it's great. About the fight, I'm really excited. Jojo, I think she's really, really tough opponent. So yes, and I have also prepared well. So let's see how it goes in the cage on 10.
Okay, so how much of scouting did you manage to get on Jojo before the fight?
Well, not much. I've seen her a few videos that were on YouTube already. So I've studied her fighting style. But you see what's already on YouTube, you can't really depend on that. I know after Pooja's fight with Jojo, Jojo must have trained like anything, and then she must have gotten so many other things in her arsenal. So of course, I'm ready for everything that shows, and let let it be a spontaneous fight. Although you have to be prepared, and I'm prepared for everything.
Okay. So, speaking of Pooja, Pooja is, I understand, is a close friend of yours. So, did you speak to Pooja before this match to get some inputs?
I did. I spoke to her. I spoke to a lot of other friends who are very close to both of us. So we did had a talk about this fight, and they gave me quite few suggestions on this.
Awesome. So, how was your camp for this fight? Like, did you spend your entire camp in Gujarat, or did you travel to Bidang as well for the camp?
Yeah. So this time, sadly, I couldn't go to Bidang. This time, I had to do the camp on my own. I spent like 40 days on my fight camp, but it was like work and handling work and training. So it was little difficult this time. Uh, and I was planning to go to Bidang, but unfortunately, it couldn't happen this time. So yeah, I had to do it on my own.
Okay, so coming back to Jojo, like, what were your initial impressions of Jojo when you saw that fight between her and Pooja?
I when I saw the fight, I really liked how she fought. She's explosive, very strong girl, and I feel yeah, she's great. And it'll be a nice fight to have her in the cage.
Okay, so I remember you speaking after the fight with Naipunya and saying that you had a game plan going into the fight. So I don't want you to reveal the game plan, but do you have something like that for this one as well?
Yeah, I mean, you know, you train, right? You train every day. You train whatever the training partners are training you with. You train strength and all. But when you go to bed that night, you start imagining the fight. So every night, I imagine something. I'm like, okay, if she does this, I'm gonna do that. I keep on repeating that. Just not training, but even you planning something. Yeah. So every night I plan something. I imagine the fight, and I imagine scenarios. So that's how it is.
Awesome. Awesome. So this is going to be your third fight in MFN, and you're the first female fighter in MFN to reach such a stage. So how do you feel having the promotion's trust in you, and how do you feel
Yeah.
being part of MFN?
I really feel blessed, I'm saying again. And I say that every time that, being part of the top most promotion, MMA promotion in India, I truly feel blessed. And I feel that, I feel grateful. Um, I really feel that, they trust me a lot, and I will keep on getting better and better. And I'm going to give a good show. I'm going to improve on my fight skills.
So apart from your fight, there are some exciting fights as well on MFN 7. So personally, are you looking forward to any fight on the card, and what are your thoughts on that this particular card?
Yeah, so the card is really lit. I'm looking forward to the main fight, which is Abdul Badakshi. He is explosive, and I think he's gonna finish the fight. Second, even Sumit and Dhruv's fight. That's gonna be really really good. So yeah, these two fights, and of course my fight. But I do wanna watch Gajendra's fight. I feel he's been knocking people out in his last few fights. So I feel he's amazing, and I do watch, like, I followed him and I saw a few of his videos. So he's amazing, amazing. So I'll watch his fight.
Okay, so MFN is returning to India after a long break, like after considering in Dubai it's coming back to India. So how does that feel?
Well, coming home back is always great because you get home crowd. You know, the crowd here is crazy. So yeah, that's gonna be thrilling, and it's good to be home.
Awesome. So what can the fans expect when you and Jojo step into that MFN cage this Friday?
Well, yeah, we're gonna give a good fight. She's explosive, and I want to finish the fight, man. I want to give it a good finish this time.
So if you had one message to give to the fans, the MMA community regarding MFN7, what would that be?
Yeah. So, hi guys. Watch MFN7 live on Book My Show and cheer for us.